Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by connecting to SQL Server Management Studio and choosing the right database. Once connected, make sure you have Create Procedure permission. Next, open a new query window. This is where you write code. Define the procedure name with schema, add parameter signatures like at @IDINT, and include SET knockout on to reduce extra result messages. Do this now so the next steps modify logic and error handling without redoing the initial setup. Once done with the skeleton, implement the core logic inside begin. END blocks. You should wrap changes in explicit transactions and use TRY, catch to handle exceptions. Make sure to validate inputs at the top, guard against null, and avoid SQL injection by using parameters. Run incremental tests with exec procedure name at ID equals 1 to observe behavior, then adjust returned result sets or output parameters. This step ensures the procedure does what you expect before you finalize permissions. To finish, apply the procedure using create or alter procedure, and then set grant execute to the appropriate principles. Make sure to update deployment notes. After deploying, run final integration tests and monitor for performance issues. Look for blocking or missing indexes. If things go wrong, check the SQL Server error log and reproduce the error with the smallest test case. Use raise error or print messages inside the procedure to reveal state. That targeted troubleshooting usually pinpoints the fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.